In this video, I will be covering the basics of Slack notifications in Rollbar. This assumes that you have Slack integration already set up in Rollbar. On your project settings page, you can go to notifications and select Slack. Here you can see the channel or group that your notifications will post to, which you have previously set up. You can also send a test notification to make sure that everything works. Now let's get into creating notification rules. You can choose from a list of templates in the drop-down. Here I am selecting the every occurrence post message template so that I can trigger this rule on any occurrence that happens. Click configure rule, and here you can change the channel or group for this specific notification rule. Leaving it blank will use the default. You can also change the message template or use the default. Here I'm just going to add a filter so that this rule will only trigger on items with a error level of error or above. And I'm going to add another condition so that this rule will only trigger if the title contains the string not supported error. Click create rule. Now let's test this out. I'm going to trigger an error in the app that meets these conditions. And let's go see if we get a Slack notification, which I just did. All right. With Slack actions enabled by default, I can choose to resolve, mute, change the criticality of this item, or assign this to a teammate. Clicking the title will take me to the error in Rollbar. This allows me to quickly see the errors that matter and triage or resolve them in a timely fashion.